Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your high ping issue in your Windows operating system. So it's a very simple process. Just you have to open your device manager and simply select your adapter, network adapter, click on the right mouse button and then simply click on the properties setting. Then click on advanced option. Then simply select interrupt moderation, simply disable it, and then simply search for large send offload IPv4, simply disabled it, and also large and offload IPv6, also disabled it. And then you select your receive buffers. In your computer screen, you can simply see that which one is your network condition. Just simply give the value. After that, you have to click on this advanced triple, just simply disabled it, and then click on the energy efficient Ethernet, just simply disabled it, and then click on gigabit light, just simply disabled it, and then click on the green Ethernet, disabled it, and into the power saving mode, simply disabled it, and then simply select on WOL, it means wake on LAN, and shut down link speed, simply maximize it 100 Mbps first, and then click OK. After, you can simply restart your PC if you want. Before that, you can simply go for registry editor, simply type registry editor, simply click on run as administrator and then click yes for the permission. And then here into the simply type this location, copy it, paste it over here like this, and click enter. Then click on network throttling index and then simply press 8 times F. Make sure all will be in smaller letter and select the hexadecimal and then click OK. And then you can simply close it. Then you can simply type here, search for CMD, simply run it as administrator, click yes for the permission, and then simply paste this command. Just simply copy this command and simply paste it over here like this, and then simply click enter. That will be okay, and then you can simply restart your PC. And after that, you're going to see your high ping will be gone. So follow the steps very carefully, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and comment below is it helped or not.